The problem I will be doing today is problem number 6. It states a scientist has limited data on the temperature T in C degrees during a 24-hour period. If T denotes time in hours and T equals 0 corresponds to midnight, find the fourth degree of polynomial that fits the information in the following table. So basically, in this problem, it wants you to give an equation for f of t. So here I've already wrote down my chart as a reference, and the first thing that's most important in this is you want to identify your zeros, which I've already done. There's 0, 4, 12, just the values from the chart. So your first step, after you identify the zeros, you want to go ahead and try to set up for f of t. So to do that, I'm just going to use all the values of my zeros. So I'm going to do a is t, then I have t minus 4, t minus 20, 24. Ouch. Okay. And the reason you don't see 0 written out like you see the rest of them is because anything t minus 0 is still going to give us t, so it's here, it's just not directly written out. So the very next thing, I'm gonna change colors, I think. Okay, so the very next thing that you want to do, the chart give us some key information that we can use. It's the fact that 12 has a value. So we're gonna plug in 12 for t. So f of t, and then, do f of 12. So then you continue to have a, and you do t is 12, it's 12 minus 4. So basically there I just plugged in 12 for all my values, and next I'm gonna go ahead and simplify those. Okay. Alrighty, so then once you get your values of your equation that you have so far, let's see, you're gonna go ahead and multiply those. And for time, I have already worked mine out, so the value that you get is gonna be a pretty large number, and mine's is, let's see, I'll go ahead and write it out. It's 16. And then we're just gonna bring down our a, and remember, something that I didn't say up here is that we already know since f of 12 is equal to 10, we want to go ahead and continue to set our problem since we plugged in 12 equals 10, because it's going to help us find a. So to get a by itself, I'm going to go ahead and divide by this number so that it'll cancel. That basically leaves us that that a is equal to 10 over 9,216. Make sure you see that. So from there, what I want to do is go ahead and simplify that some more. So I'm going to divide the top and bottom number by 2. So 4,608. So to find out f of t, the equation that you basically wanted for f of t, you're just gonna take that a value and you're gonna plug in that 5 over 4,608 into the equation, and that gets you your f of t answer.